welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on YouTube TV. So if your YouTube TV has no sound in it, you just have to follow this simple step, or I would say this simple trick. For that, on your YouTube TV, you just have to simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be redirected in your settings. Now in your settings, you need to find the option of 5.1 audio, and once you click on that option, you will be redirected to this page where by default the surround sound will be on. So you just have to turn it off. So you need to simply press the OK button on your remote here, and once it is turned off, you just have to simply go back. And now when you open or stream any of the video over here, you will see that now the sound problem is fixed, and you can now listen to the audio here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.